Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with another haul. I'm sorry I've got so many hauls lately. I've just really been experimenting a lot. So this week, however you want to say it, I've got, these are the Flakes Resin Chameleon powders. These are absolutely beautiful. They're a chameleon mica pigment powder. So many. This one is a green gold. Oh. And they have labels on them, but they're in black, so I can't read them. Not enough contrast. Of course, just like mica always does, some of the pigment powders weigh more than others. So some of them, the ounces are fuller than others. So don't panic. They didn't short you. I know a lot of them on camera do look the same. I love this one as a mermaid. Green, blue. Oh, a white violet. Oh, white gold. Oh, stunning. This one is a gold, green, violet. It's kind of a bronze for the gold. Oh, stunning. Oh, this one is a blue, violet, red maybe? Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Then, my favorite for last. This one is a champagne gold, violet. Oh, really pretty. Now these are the chameleon powders. Keep that in mind. These are I have no idea. FXOEE. These are the chameleon flakes. Now I've used chameleon flakes before, but not in these particular colors. Man, there's no way to open them other than tear them open, is there? Love these gem type. Oh, so pretty. Now you can't tell the chameleonness quite as well from the bottle in these flakes. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Alright, those are the flakes. Chameleon powder, chameleon flakes. Then I got these, which are, yeah, like I can read that even. But these are interference colors for resin. So excited about this, I can't even talk. Interference colors for resin. Now, of course, either one of these can be used in resin, can be used in polymer clay. They have lots of uses. But these interference resin colors, there's an interference violet, an interference green, an interference blue. There's everything. An interference red even. So, I'll leave the links below to where all of these can be found. This one came from AliExpress and did take a couple of weeks, but it was quicker than usual, so I'll leave the links below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. My social media links will be listed below, including my Amazon shop that I do get a little kickback from, and my Etsy shop, and the rest of my social media links. Bye for now.